Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ashimary Hair. They sent me this bomb skunk stripe frontal wig and I will be installing it with y'all. The wig did come this color. I did not dye it. I did not bleach the knots or anything, y'all. I didn't wash it or anything. Literally fresh out of the box. So yes, y'all, I'll be showing y'all how I achieved this easy look. I definitely love this look. I definitely love the color. So let's get right into this video. So this is how the wig came packaged up, y'all. As I mentioned, I did not do anything to this wig. I did not bleach the knots. I lightly plucked it. Literally, it was little work done to it. They did give me a lot of little cute gifts inside, you know, lashes, wig cap, a milk band, and also a baby hairs brush. This is how the wig looks fresh out of the box, as I mentioned. Fresh out of the box, y'all. I definitely love the color. On the website, you do have different options on the color that you want in the front. It is up to you. It does come in green and, you know, different other colors. But I decided to get red, y'all. Y'all know Halloween is coming up. It's definitely affordable, y'all. This hair is definitely affordable, and the hair is good. It's a good quality hair. Also, y'all, I didn't have to do much to the lace. As I mentioned, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I just put it right on. One thing I don't like about this wig though is the sizing. The sizing in the back could be a little better, but that's really with all wigs. But yeah, sure, other than that, I definitely give this wig a 10 out of a 10. So guys, this is the final look. As I mentioned, I definitely love this hair. I definitely love this wig, y'all. So you could wear it any style that you want. You could put braids in it, you could put curls in it, whatever, y'all. It's up to you. Everything about this company will be in the description box, literally everything. This is also 22 inches, if I did not mention that before. Everything will be in the description box, as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.